Imagine achieving strong, toned legs without the high-impact workouts. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover how yoga can transform your legs and your life. Yoga isn't just about flexibility, it's a powerful tool for weight loss and muscle toning. By combining physical postures, breath control, and mindfulness, yoga can help you achieve your fitness goals. Let's start with Virabhadrasana I. Stand tall, step back, and feel the stretch as you raise your arms overhead. This pose strengthens your legs and boosts your confidence. Transitioning to Virabhadrasana II, open your hips and extend your arms. Feel the power in your thighs as you hold this warrior pose, building endurance and muscle definition. Next, we have Utkatasana, or chair pose. Sit back as if into an invisible chair, engaging your core and thighs. This pose is a powerhouse for toning your legs. Lie down for Setu Bandhasana, the bridge pose. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, engaging your glutes and thighs. This pose not only tones, but also improves flexibility. Stand wide for Utkatasana, the triangle pose. Reach down and extend your arm up, feeling the stretch and strength in your legs. This pose enhances balance and muscle tone. Move into Utkatasana, the goddess pose. Bend your knees deeply and lower your hips, engaging your thighs and glutes. This pose is perfect for building strength and stability. Incorporating these poses into your routine will not only tone your legs, but also improve your overall physical and mental well-being. Yoga is a holistic approach to fitness. Ready to transform your legs and your life? Start your yoga journey today and feel the difference. Strong, toned legs are just a pose away. Namaste.